you're wearing the same shirt as me.
Oh, morning, Prue. Hi, guys.
You're both wearing the same... At least Paul's still my friend. Oh, my lord. Actually, that looks good in green.
Should we start the show?
Welcome to the Great British Bake Off.
I usually do that. Last time. I love eating...